Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS, and today we are back with one more question that is asked in CSAT 2024, and the question belongs to the numbers topic. Okay, so the question is triple two to the power triple three plus triple three to the power triple two is divisible by which of the following numbers? Now, first of all, you will have to look at options. So the options are 2, 3 and 37. So this question specifically belongs to the divisibility topic. So we have to see the divisibility of 2, 3 and 37. Okay, 2 we know even numbers, 3 we know sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Next is 37. So 37 is asked. Generally, you will see that 37 is asked with the reference to 111. 111. Any number which is occurring this times R. That is, it is repeated 3 times. Any digit, if it is repeated 3 times, that will be divisible by 37. So okay, that is the knowledge that we require here only. So let's move on to the question. So the first part is 2 to the power 333 plus 333 to the power 222. Now, before going on to solving this one important thing is that even plus even is always even. Even plus odd is always odd. Odd plus even is always odd. Odd plus odd is always even. So 2, this is even number. 3, this is an odd number. Now even and odd, similarly they will make odd. See, any powers of an even number will give me the resultant as even. Any powers of an odd number will give the resultant as odd number. So ये इन दोनों का सम हो गया हमारा odd. तो अगर ये odd हो गया, so that means it is not divisible by 2. ये एक चीज तो कंफर्म हो गई. Next, we have to check for the divisibility by 3. So for divisibility by 3, the sum of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is 6 and it is divisible by 3. Okay, again 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9. So it is divisible by 3. That means any powers of this one will be divisible by 3 and any powers of this one will also be divisible by 3. तो जब ये डिविजिबल है, ये भी डिविजिबल है, तो इनका सम भी डिविजिबल बाय 3 होगा. That means it is divisible by 3. Now I am writing it here. 2 not divisible, 3 yes. Next 37. Now you will see that 111 is divisible by 37, right? So in that case you will see that it is a multiple of 111. It is also a multiple of 111. So any powers of this will give me 111 in some manner. So that means this number, the summation of these numbers will also be divisible by 111, and when it is divisible by 111, it means it is also divisible by 37. So the answer is 3 and 37 but not 2. So ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा ट्रिकी था. कई चीजें इसमें थी. एक तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट even plus even gives even and odd plus even gives odd, ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट. दूसरा divisibility of 2, 3 and 37 and this 111. So if you haven't practiced such questions, it will be difficult for you to grasp this question in the examination hall. Let's move on to our practice question for today, and the question is 444 to the power 555 plus 555 to the power 444 is divisible by which of the following numbers? And these are the options. So basically you have to check the divisibility by 2, 3 and 5 and you will get the answer at our Telegram channel. This is the link of our Telegram channel. Thank you. We'll come back with one more question tomorrow.